How to connect Airbnb to Smoobu. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Airbnb to Smoobu. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Smoobu, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission, no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Smoobu, it is a comprehensive software solution designed specifically for managing short-term and vacation rentals, in which it serves as an all-in-one platform that integrates various functionalities essential for property owners and managers, in which key features include a channel manager which allows users to synchronize listing over 100 booking portals including Airbnb and Booking.com, thereby preventing double bookings and ensuring real-time calendar updates. And aside from that, this platform also includes automated messaging capabilities to enhance guest communication. And to create an account on this platform, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the 14-day free trial button on the top right corner to proceed. Then you will be directed on this page, and all you need to do is to simply enter here the name, last name, your email address, your password, and your phone number, or you could also sign up using your Google account, Facebook, and using Apple ID. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed in here, and it will show you the quick overview of the process. But before you proceed, the next thing that you need to do, of course, is simply go to your Airbnb.com account and just simply log in here if you already have an account in here. Or you could also click the link in the description to sign up, in which it is an online marketplace that connects hosts with guests seeking short-term or long-term accommodations. And from here, after signing in your account on Airbnb.com, you'll now be directed on this page right here. And now after signing in your account on Airbnb, the next thing that you need to do is simply go to this Smoobu again, in which it will show us that we can simply create or import accommodations, connect portals, which is also like Airbnb. So in order to do that, just click the continue button below here to proceed. And after that, just simply enter here your phone number, or you could also click the continue button in here. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply select what are your main interests when using Smoobu. And I'm going to choose, for example, in here, avoid double bookings, and click the continue to proceed. After that, from here, you're also required to select how many properties do you have. For example, I'm going to enter here 2, and for this currency, I'm going to select, for example, this kind of currency, which is USD. And if you're now done, just click the continue button to proceed in here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter here the name of your property 1 and also property 2, in which it says here that you need to give a unique name to each of your accommodation, in which their name Smoobu should resemble the name of your accommodation on other platforms. So make sure that the property that you have on Airbnb is also the same name that you're going to input in this property on Smoobu. And by clicking the continue button below, you'll now be directed on this page right here, in which it will show you the units created on Smoobu. So by clicking this button, you will be directed on this homepage of Smoobu.com. And from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, such as home, calendar, pricing, bookings, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate these messages, contacts, statistics, and many more in here. Now under this homepage, all you need to do from here is to simply click the option Connect button under Connect the First Portal in order to connect your Airbnb to this Smoobu account. Alternatively, you could also click this plus connect a new portal button in here under portal status. And after connecting the connect button right here, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, it will show us that the next thing that we need to do is to simply select here a portal by clicking on it. And below it will show us a variety of options with here Agoda, but just click the Airbnb. And after selecting Airbnb as a portal, just click add portal button in here. And upon doing so, it will show you the things that you need to understand before you get started, in which you must connect with the main host account, which is co-host accounts cannot be connected. In order to establish the connection, your listing must be set up unlisted on Airbnb. And also below here, it will show you the instruction that you also need to follow in order to connect your Airbnb to this Smoobu. But below here, just proceed by clicking Connect Accounts button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on the next page, in which it will be directed us in this Airbnb account. And you could also start adding your profile picture in here. And after that, you could also enter your phone number in order to confirm your profile in here. So just enter here your country code and also your phone number, and after that, just check these boxes that says text me a link to the free Airbnb app, then click the continue button in here to proceed, and just simply enter your code that has been sent to your phone number or in your messages, and after entering the code, just simply click the continue button below here to proceed. And after successfully confirming your phone number, the next thing that you need to do from here is simply create your profile, since you will not be able to successfully connect your Airbnb account to our Smoobu without adding our profile photo in here. So I'm just going to select on my computer files a kind of photo that I'm going to select as my profile picture, and after that just simply click in here the submit button to proceed. So just wait for it to be fully uploaded and set as your profile picture, then click done button to proceed. And after that, we'll now be able to see here that we can now start connecting Airbnb to Smoobu with any of these permissions, such as to access your first name, profile picture, last name, email address, to access and modify your reservations, access your payment information, access to respond to your messages, and many more in here. And by simply clicking this allow button, you will now be able to be directed on this page, and you should see here that you have now successfully connect your Airbnb to your Smoobu account. But at this point, it seems that there is an error upon connecting my account on Smoobu. So you can simply go back again on this page. But if you try to follow the step, you'll be able to successfully connect your Airbnb account to your Smoobu account in here. And after connecting it, it will enable you to real-time synchronization of bookings and calendar across multiple platforms, which significantly reduces the risk of double bookings, in which this integration allows property owners to manage all of their listings from a single interface, streamlining operations and saving time on administrative tasks. And aside from accommodations, using the integration that we just did, you could also navigate on the left side panel the calendar, pricing, some of the services that you offer on Airbnb in here. So for instance, by simply clicking the pricing, we'll be able to be directed on this page where we can start setting up our pricing option, such as the base price in our property, depending on the time in here and your preferences. Well, by clicking the calendar in here, you could also navigate some of your schedule in this specific date on your calendar in here. Since Smoobu Channels Manager facilitates the automatic updating of prices, availability, and guest communications, ensuring that any changes made in Smoobu are instantly reflected on Airbnb. Aside from that, if you book or by clicking this bookings option right here and you start adding a booking, after you book in here, it will automatically be reflected on your Airbnb account with a given property that you book. While under the statistics, you could also track your revenue, bookings, the number of cancellations, occupancy, and even occupancy and revenue in here. So basically, this capability enhances operational efficiency, allowing hosts to focus on providing better guest experiences rather than getting bogged down in manual updates. So overall, that is just basically how you can connect Airbnb to Smoobu. Thank you.